Coronavirus and its impact on our life. What is COVID-19 virus? Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. A coronavirus is a kind of common virus that causes an infection in your nose, sinuses, or upper throat. Most coronaviruses aren't dangerous. In early 2020, after a December 2019 outbreak in China, the World Health Organization or WHO identified respiratory syndrome as a new type of coronavirus. The outbreak quickly spread across the world. COVID-19 is a disease caused by SARS-CoV-2 that can trigger what doctors call a respiratory tract infection. It can affect your upper respiratory tract, that is sinuses, nose and throat, or lower respiratory tract, that is windpipe and lungs. It spreads the same way other coronaviruses do, mainly through person to person contact. Infection range is from mild to deadly. How is the coronavirus spreading? The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquette, for example, by coughing into a flexed elbow. Is there more than one strain of SARS-CoV-2? An early Chinese study of 103 COVID-19 cases found two strains, which they named L and S. The S type is older, but the L type was more common in early stages of the outbreak. They think one may cause more cases of the disease than the other, but they are still working on it, what it all means. It is not also normal for a virus to change or mutate as it infects people, and this virus has done so. There are several variants which have been named for the regions they were first discovered, but they had now spread to other areas and countries. What do we know about COVID 19? This slide looks at a few coronaviruses that can infect humans, the illness they cause, and how they transmit. Specifically, we focus on three dangerous diseases caused by coronaviruses: COVID 19, SARS, and MERS. The number of people infected by the disease continues to change every day, while the impact of the disease varies by location. There are more than 148 million confirmed cases of the people with the COVID-19 around the globe, and more than 3.1 million people have died from the disease according to the WHO. There are many types of coronavirus. Some cause trusted source mild illness such as common cold. Other can cause severe acute respiratory syndrome, that is SARS, or Middle East respiratory syndrome, that is MERS, which can be life threatening. Many coronaviruses are present in animals but do not affect humans. Sometimes, however, a virus mutates in a way that allows it to infect humans. Scientists call this human coronaviruses or HCOVs. What are the effects of coronavirus on our economy? Now, what does that mean? Due to the coronavirus, there is lockdown, and due to the lockdown, the economy is going down. How? I will show you in this slide. Closing workplaces shrinks the economical output of lockdown regions. The negative economic effect of a lockdown in one region may diffuse through supply chains, that is, supplier-client relationships of firms, to other regions that are not necessarily locked down. When a firm is closed by a lockdown strategy, the productivity of its client's firm is likely to suffer because of the lack of supply of intermediate goods and services. Suppliers of the closed firm are also likely to see reduced production because of shortage of demand. What are the symptoms of coronavirus? COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Less common symptoms are aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, and a rash on skin or discoloration of fingers or toes. Serious symptoms include difficulty of breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, and loss of speech or movement. What are the preventions we can take against coronavirus? To prevent infection and to slow transmission of COVID-19, do the following. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water or clean them with alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Stay home if you feel unwell. Refrain from smoking and other activities that weaken the lungs. And practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large groups of people. Thank you.